What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. This is Marvin from Britz channel, and for today's video I'm going to give you a tour on our crew cabin. So this is the crew cabin of every cruise ship. I think not every cruise ship, but this is a crew cabin of where I am working at the moment. So come on guys. Okay, so guys, most of the crew cabin is in deck B or in a basement floor. So I'm gonna be going to the basement to show you the crew cabin I am staying. Okay. So ayan si aking kasamahan. Kaway naman dyan, bebe.
Hi!
Ayan. Hello.
Howdy na?
Maybe it's something not working, buddy.
Yes, it.
Shout out, shout out. Shout out.
Hi.
There we go. This is my cabin. Okay, so I'm on the corner. Well, so we have our card. We have to tap the card. And Arnold is there.
Good morning, guys.
Yes. Okay, so this is our cabin. Crew cabin has two-person each. So on the back of the door is your full body mirror. And before you go to your work, you're gonna check how you look like. Check your uniform. Make it presentable. And you have two hooks here. One is mine and for my colleague. Okay. And we have here our cabinet. Okay, our cabinet something. So this is mine. This side. Actually, this is very less. I only brought some essentials, but I usually bring a lot of foods like noodles, coffee. But this time I don't because I'm on a diet because of my my diabetes. So I don't bring a lot of food, and this side is for my roommate. See how it's different. So I have my sky flakes. Actually, I didn't know that it's not allowed for a diabetic, but I brought it already since. So I have my dental floss. Okay, my water. Okay. And I have my medicine for 6 months because my doctor prescribed me for 6 months medication. And a printer. And I have my extra toothbrush. Okay, what else do I have? Cotton bag. I have a bun. Gel, of course, alcohol. Okay, and I have my lotion, perfume, and I have my extra shampoo and conditioner here. There we go. Okay. Procter and Gamble, hello. And of course, this is my micellar water. Actually, this is not I used to bring a lot. Yeah, this is not what the only thing I'm bringing before, but due to, I'm in a hurry. What? So I didn't get able to think of what I have to bring on board. So that's it for now. That's it for me now. And okay, on the top, so we have a lot our supplies of this mask. It's given by Magsaysay and also given by our company. Okay, and we have here. So we have our small table, shave table. We have our house phone, and you can call your supervisor, and then they can call you when you're usually late. Actually, we don't like the sound of it because that means when your phone rang, that means you are already late at work. Okay, so I have here your drawer. Okay, each of us has a drawer. Now I don't want to touch his. Okay, and we have two uh, two bed like a double deck. So I get mine on the top. So yeah, we have our mattress, and we have a pillow, blanket. Is all provided by the company. On the bottom, here are our bags and luggages. Okay. So what else I can show you? So, okay, that's it. And a little bit sad because if you came first, you get the bottom bed, and but I came second, so you got the first, but the bottom bed, and I have the top back. So, but some of the people they love top back, but I don't like it. I'm too old already to get up here, and we have our TV. Okay, so it comes with TFC for the Filipino. Okay, and this is our remote. Okay, so we have remote control, and we have our wardrobe here, of course with the big. Ayan. Hi. So this is mine. Okay, I already set mine. I just arrived yesterday, but I just brought few because at this time we cannot go out. So I just bought a little bit of my clothes cloth. So I have my winter jacket. I can wear my favorite trench coat. Okay, and the other side is his. So we were not allowed to open it. Respect for your colleague. Okay, and now we're going to our toilet. Okay, so we have our toilet here. Nice. Each cabin has our own uh, toilet. I heard on the other cruise lines, mostly you are uh, two of you or four of you in the rooms. Ours is we have it. Okay, so I have mine here. My towel is here. I'll put it here. Okay, and his is here. We put it here. So okay, and we have a nice, very nice lavatory. And this is our essential cabinet. So this is mine. I have my body wash, shampoo, cream soap. I have my salt, salt pot. Okay. And of course, our my dental kit is here, hygiene kit. And we have a lot of supply of tissue. Here we go on the top. And you know, I have my towel for shower. But I also have my here. And we have a nice here. Yeah, shower curtain. Okay. And of course, a tower toilet. Nothing more here. Okay, guys, so that's it for me now. And if you are not yet subscribed for my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe red button, and also the notification bell, the bell sign on the right side of the subscribe button. Also leave some comment down below if you want what do you want me to show for you on my next video. Okay, God bless everyone. Don't forget to like this video as well. Bye. God bless everyone.